The new 8th generation ES is considerably larger than the 7th generation model it replaces. It's much longer and taller than before, giving it more presence out on the road. Stepping inside the new ES, the interior isn't exactly what you'd call flamboyant, though there are a few nice touches such as the bamboo-themed 3D printed door trim with underlying ambient lighting. All 2026 ES models will come equipped with a 12.3-inch digital gauge display and 14.0-inch infotainment touchscreen. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto will be included as standard, along with dual-device Bluetooth connectivity. Lexus introduces a new generation of infotainment user interface in the 2026 ES. It will have split-screen functionality to show different information simultaneously and an on-screen home button, absent in some new Lexus touchscreens. Additionally, certain information such as built-in navigation can be displayed within the gauge cluster. The voice recognition system has faster responses than before. Speaking of those seats, Lexus is offering an executive package on North American ES models for the first time, provided you go for the luxury trim. That includes reclining rear seats with a passenger-side ottoman, rear outboard massaging, seats and heating ventilating functions for the rear passengers as well. The Taoti 26 ES should include USB ports in both rows of seats, at least one wireless charging pad, a head-up display, and 360-degree camera. The Lexus Safety System Plus 4.0 suite of driver assist and active safety features makes its debut on the 2026 ES. Although the automaker has not provided specifics of what Lexus Safety System Plus 4.0 will contain, it does say that there are improvements made to the sensing hardware and software. Accordingly, we expect this version to have even better functionality than earlier equivalents, which bundled features including front automatic emergency braking, rear cross-traffic alert, blind spot monitoring, lane keep, assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic high beams.